Hi, and CrochetSmash. Today we are going to make a leaf motif. So let us start with a just start with a slip knot. You can make a slip knot either by putting your hook over here, turn, one more turn, and yes, like this. It's on your hook now, or you can do it like this. See, on your fingers, just like this. Then put your hook over here, pull your yarn, then push with the other hand like this, pull your thread, then the longer one coming from the yarn ball you can use like this. Okay, see, this is a slip knot. Then we are going to make chain 9 to make the leaf. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This is the 9th one, not the loop on the hook. Then come to the one behind, 8th one here, and slip knot. Slip knot is like slip stitch. It's not slip knot, it is a slip stitch. Then a single crochet, yarn over, pull yarn through both the loops. Now one single crochet, then make a half double crochet. To make a half double crochet, yarn over, push the hook through the loop, then push the hook through the chain, then pull up, yarn over, and pull through all 2 loops. Now a half double crochet is done. Then we do a double crochet. Now we are going to make a 2 double crochet in this next stitch. 1 2, and 1 more double crochet in the next stitch. Then a half double crochet, then a single crochet here. Now make 2 more single crochet in that last chain, just like that. Now we are on the other side. Now we make 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, make it on the back loop of the chain. Here you can see it, I hope. Then 1 double crochet. Then the next one was, we made the 2 double crochet in this stitch, so we are going to make 2 double crochet in there. 1 2. Now in the next one there is 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet. Now going to make 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and slip stitch in the next one here. Now cut the yarn, I like to push it through the loop. Yeah, here is a leaf, small one. Now you can take this long end, put it in the back so it will not be visible. So thread your yarn needle with that long tail, and then pick only the back loops. Look, it is not visible here, so pull through that, making sure the shape is not disturbed, like this. Hold it a little tighter with your 2 fingers. Get it closer to that. No, the yarn disappeared. We have a tail over here, and I will show you how I am going to attach this one. It looks like the tail is not long enough, so I will put it a little into the back, stitch it to the back, just like that. And it's going to disappear into the stitches. Okay, you can cut that one. There we go. This leaf I am already attached to that, so now this leaf I am going to attach. Okay. I have the leftover yarn which I used to stitch the back to the flower, so I can thread that again. It is long enough. I can thread that again on the yarn needle and bring it all the way up here to the back. I will stitch it right here. I'm going to stitch the leaf to the back of the flower, the same color yarn, so it will go like very nicely to give that finished look. To here, that will be enough. I'm taking it back to the other side. I'm going to stitch this side of the leaf to the back of the flower. Same as before, you can push it. I can make a tie here. Let's go through like this, just like that. Now I can push it through, so the yarn end will go underneath. Get it? That's it. Here there's a little bit of extra. I can cut that. Not a big deal. That's my sunflower. Now I made a bookmark by adding a little bit of long tail. Just a long chain, then like a 40 chain, then I made single crochet all the way up, and then it is attached to the back. Now it is long enough to use as a bookmark. There is another one I made as brooch. It is available in the store. I'm going to add it to my store. I'll make another bookmark with this one later. Okay, that's it for today. Good luck with making sunflower bookmark or a charm, or you can make it a brooch. Whatever you are making, please do the comment